In this video I will discuss about 6 popular exercises you should replace for better muscle growth. Enhance your workout. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you 6 popular exercises that you should consider replacing for better muscle growth and enhancing your workout. So, let's dive right in. First up, the squat variation with a barbell on your shoulders. This exercise is great for improving your squat form. But if you want to prioritize muscle growth and power development, try switching to the safety bar squat instead. The safety bar allows you to maintain a more upright torso position, which can help you load more weight on each representative. Trust me, your legs will thank you. Next, cable pull-apart exercises for the lats. Instead of these, try doing straight arm pull-downs from the overhead position. This exercise targets the lats better and gives a stronger contraction when you bring your arms down in front of your body. Moving on to bicep workouts. Instead of barbell curls, try preacher curls or incline curls using dumbbells or EZ bar instead of cables. This will help you maintain proper elbow positioning and allow for better contraction at full extension. Now let's talk about tricep exercises. Instead of dips using the machines or freestanding dip stations, try doing bench dips with added weight plates on your back. This can help build stronger triceps while maintaining proper elbow positioning. Finally, for calf raises, use a half box with one foot on the edge and one foot behind you to keep your ankle in a more plantar flex position throughout the entire set of reps. This will help activate and build stronger calves much faster than regular calf raises do. There you have it, folks. Give these alternatives a try and see how they work for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.